Hello everyone. So today I want to walk you through my exact process for downloading my TikToks and uploading them to Idea Pins. Idea Pins are a new feature on Pinterest. They are very beneficial for driving traffic, and you definitely need to be using them. So I really utilize my Idea Pins the most by resharing my TikToks there, so I can repurpose that content. It's a lot easier and makes a lot more sense to me than just reposting photos and things like that. While you can do that, this is the way that I do it for TikTok. So here you can see that this is my Pinterest. I'm going to flip over to TikTok. That's where we're going to start. So I'm going to choose a video that I want to share, and I'm going to copy the link. And I do this all on my desktop. Then I'm going to flip over to Snaptic. And I do this on desktop too. I don't really like their app. The website looks super sketchy, but it's the best one that I've found to work. So you go ahead and copy and paste in that link for your TikTok and go ahead and click download. It should only take a second, and you can go ahead and click download, X out of the ad, and there we go. We have it downloaded right here. So after you get that downloaded, you're going to flip back to Pinterest. Share that tab. So once you're back here on Pinterest, you're going to come over to make sure you're on the Save tab so that you can upload new content. And you're going to go over to the plus button. Then you're going to click on Idea Pin. So what I like to do generally is I will upload quite a few TikToks and then I will just save them to drafts so that I can just post them when I'm ready. But for the sake of this video, we're just going to upload this TikTok that I just downloaded. So this, I don't really do anything with this screen. You can add text and background and all kinds of things and really get creative with it. I don't, and it works fine, but to each their own. Then you're going to hit the next button. So this is the main thing you want to do. I don't really pay attention to tags. I have had these Idea Pins go viral with no tags. So I don't really pay attention to that. The main thing that I want to focus on is creating a very clickable title and making sure that I am posting this Idea Pin onto a board that has a really good description and really good keywords in the description. So for this is a Instagram hack. So I'm going to do Instagram Reels hack you didn't know. Okay, so that's pretty clickable. That's going to get people's attention. And then I'm going to save that to one of my Instagram boards. We're going to do Instagram strategy. That sounds like a good board to put that on. And then I'm going to click publish. After that uploads, you'll see that it appears up at the top of your profile and it lives there. So I get a lot of questions about what the difference between an Idea Pin and a standard pin is. So your standard pins live on your boards and your Idea Pins live at the top of your profile. So they show up right here. You can see a bunch of the other ones I posted, and honestly, a lot of them have done better here than they even did on TikTok. So I would definitely jump on utilizing this. Now, there is a new feature. So if you want to download your TikToks onto your desktop and then just airdrop them to your phone, if you post an Idea Pin from your phone, then they have a sticker feature very similar to the Instagram story sticker for a link, and you can now link that video directly back to your website, your TikTok profile, your Instagram profile, anything that you want. Otherwise, at the end of the video, it does pop up with your profile and it gives people a pretty clear call to action to click back to your profile. And looking at my Google Analytics, I actually have a lot of click-throughs come from this link right here. And I know that that is all coming from Idea Pins. So that is the most efficient way to utilize Idea Pins. It really is super simple. You don't want to overthink it, just like with anything else with social media. Keep it simple, keep it to the point, and you will drive a lot of traffic from this feature. I will see you in the next video.